Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve these locks on yourself. They're just some soft locks. I would say this is like a medium size, like to me. I did them like waist length. You can't see, but they're like waist length. So if you would like to achieve this look, please stay tuned. You're gonna need some hair. Mine's from Amazon. I'll link it below. Next, you're gonna need some spring twist hair. It is in the color 1B. This hair order from Amazon. This is the pack it came in. I think it came with 6 or 7 packs, but I will link it down below. They're 24-inch locks in the color 1B. I used some leave-in conditioner by Olive Oil Originals, some anti-breakage growth lotion. I also used some more leave-in conditioner. It has rice water and electrolytes in it. You're gonna need some edge wax. You're also going to need some edge control of your choice. You're going to need some mousse. And I also used more mousse because the first mousse just wasn't moussing. Next, you're going to need some shine and jam like spray, some oil, scissors, a crochet hook, and an edge brush, and nail glue. Nail glue is very essential for this hairstyle. Okay, so there are 2 different methods I'm going to be showing today that you could do, like either or. So the first one, as you can see, I'm starting off with the braid, and then I'm adding the lock onto one of the strands that I'm going to be braiding. And so this is the first method. I personally like this one better because it's easier and it's faster and it makes for a flatter outcome. Okay, for this next method, you're gonna just braid your braid like all the way down, as you can see me doing here, all the way to the end. Then I'm gonna be adding the lock with my crochet hook just into my braid. I do not like this method better. It made this lock very lumpy. Like you can see exactly where I added the lock at because of how like lumpy it was. So I don't like this method better. But you might, so you never know unless you try. For this next part, I'm just adding the spring twist hair to the root of my hair and wrapping it around. So for me, deciding how thick I wanted the spring twist hair to be around my lock is I looked at the thickness of my actual hair, and I suggest you do that too. And like when I'm wrapping it around, as you can see, I'm like not pulling the hair too tight, and I'm making sure it's fluffy while I'm wrapping it around and not like so put together. So you want to fluff it out beforehand. And I know people are going to be asking in the comments. So in the back of my head, there are 6 rows. And in the front of my head, there's 5 rows on each side of my head. So in the front total is 10 rows going back. And then in the back of my head, there's 6 rows horizontally. Yeah, I know people are going to be asking, so that's, and I didn't count how many locks I have. When I did my last tutorial on like braids, a lot of people were asking how many braids there were. I don't count the braids. I'm just showing you like how many rows there are. And so there was 6 in the back and 10 in the front. Okay, so I got done with 1 row, and this is what it's looking like. This one is like thicker and stiffer because I added too much hair. This one is flexible, it's nice, it's light, it's nice. This one, I didn't add enough hair, so right here is like bulky, but like I mean, it's underneath so nobody's gonna see. This one's perfect too. It's just like this. These two are good, and then these two are like just not. That's what it's looking like. Also, I just want to say that you're going to be seeing me use nail glue. I'm not using a lot. I'm using very, very, very minimal amount. Like to the point where you can't even see it. You can just feel it. Do not use a lot. And please be careful getting it on your fingers because I did hurt myself really bad trying to peel nail glue off my finger. And I like went too far, peeled too hard. And now like my finger is busted open from the nail glue. So please be careful with that and use a very, very, very small amount. Like the most I'll use on a single lock is like 2 little tiny dots. And please be sure to like not put the nail glue on your real hair. You don't want to do that at all. Like you do not want to start adding nail glue at all until you're past your real hair, because you're not putting it on your real hair like at all. I got halfway, well, a little bit over halfway done. This is what it's looking like so far. This hairstyle took me 7 hours and 30 minutes total. Really, I would say 7 hours because there were a few times I was just honestly sitting there contemplating, like, do I want to finish this tonight? But yeah, so it took me 7 hours and 30 minutes total. If you have made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for next time.